Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Zendesk SSO using Google Workspace step by step clearly. To enable Zendesk SSO using Google Workspace, start by logging into your Google Admin Console. Navigate to the Security section. Click on Set up Single Sign-On SSO for SAML applications. In the SSO Profile section, enter the application name as Zendesk. Next, input the SSO URL from your Zendesk account. You can find this URL in your Zendesk admin panel under the Security settings. Then, enter your Zendesk entity ID in the corresponding field. After that, upload the certificate provided by Zendesk. You can obtain this certificate from the same security settings. Make sure to save your changes after entering all the details. Now, log into your Zendesk account as an administrator. Go to the Admin Center by clicking the gear icon on the left sidebar. Select the Security option from the menu. In the Security settings, scroll down to find the Single Sign-On section. Enable the SSO feature by toggling the switch. Input the Google Workspace SSO URL in the designated field. Specify the Google Workspace sign-in method you want to use. Choose between HTTP direct or HTTP post. Save your changes to complete the configuration. Finally, test the SSO by logging out of Zendesk. Attempt to log in again using your Google Workspace credentials. If the setup is successful, you should be redirected back to your Zendesk dashboard without needing to enter your password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.